Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This is a video on how I do my eyebrows. Not necessarily an eyebrow tutorial because everyone's eyebrows are different, but please keep on watching. First, you're going to be brushing your eyebrows up with a smoothie. I am using the Brow Bar by Benefit. This is a pencil and it's in the darkest shade of brown. The other side is a smoothie. This is great for beginners because a little goes a long way, but if you make a mistake, you can smudge it off. I start to fill in the brows by going where the natural direction the hairs are going so it could look more natural. Then I basically start outlining the shape of my brows. It does not always come out perfect, so what I do is I go into my Shape Tape concealer and I go into a flat concealer brush and I basically just carve out the brows and cover up all of the extra hairs that might be around the brow. Eyebrows take a really freaking long time to do and to learn. I'm still learning on how to do my own brows, so this won't be the only eyebrow video I'll be giving you guys. So after you have carved them out, blend it with a beauty blender because you don't want all of the harsh lines to be around your brows. Blend out the middle of your brows because no one wants boxed eyebrows. This gives it like a fade towards the front of the brows and then it starts to get darker for the rest of the brows and it just looks more natural. And this is basically on how I do my brows. Yes, this video is very short, but I was just showing you how I do my brows. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one.